In life, there are two types of people: those who are brave and those who are cowards. The brave always look ahead, while cowards look behind them. The brave motivate, cowards reproach. The brave take risks, push and defy. The brave respect dreams while the cowards mock them. The brave love the unknown from the bottom of their hearts, while cowards have never even visited that part of themselves.
Vinga, va! Va! Voy! Nahiago! Go!
How long has it been since you've done something that came from your heart? How long have you gone contradicting your destiny? How many lives do you need to understand that you only have one?